scared to vlog in front of you. Hey guys. I can't do it.
Do it.
I can't do it.
What are you doing in front of all the other guys you've been on motorbikes, sir?
What's that supposed to mean? Hi everyone. Currently here with my friend Will. We met in Thailand on the beach in Phi Phi. Funny story. I was having like the roughest day of my entire life. And then all of a sudden, I hear someone go, "Hey Jasmine," and I was like, what the fuck? And it was Will saying hi to me on the beach in Phi Phi.
She was really dusty, not feeling too good.
And yet here we are. We are going on a road trip. We're actually going to like the northwest of Bali, which will be really, really exciting. I've like put my big backpack into storage. This is all I'm bringing. Like I have this, and then I have like a tiny little backpack. I've actually packed so lightly.
Hey boss,
okay, we've just stopped for some petrol. Yeah. Yeah, video. You wanna say hi? Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
What's your name?
Yogi.
Yogi.
Yeah.
You're famous now.
Yeah, famous.
To all my 2,000 subscribers.
YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm not famous.
If you take him video, you will be famous.
Yeah, if he's in my video, then I'll be famous.
Hello.
You wanna say hi to YouTube?
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Nyoman.
Nyoman?
Yeah.
Ah.
And you?
Jasmine.
Jasmine, where are you from?
Denmark.
Denmark. Hello, Denmark. Safe ride when you're going there.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. You need to ride safe, Will. You've got a passenger princess on the back.
Take care of your princess.
Yeah, his princess. That's me. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. And we're ready to go. Will got me a red helmet, and I told him I look like ketchup and mustard today. I'm on Ox. Hope you enjoy my songs. Here we go. First stop, Medewi. Who knows? This is the map of Bali. So we're going there, and then after that we're gonna keep driving and go up there to like our hotel up there. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually looks really, really. Okay, go. Let's hear it from the top.
What was I saying?
My name's Jasmine Rostock.
My name's Jasmine Rostock, and yeah, I don't know. It's just my sister and I, like, so close.
Stop.
Surely we can. Surely she comes and visits me before I have to keep carrying on traveling with this Will guy. Wow.
How are you so good at that?
I think you need to move. This can't be good for you. I want you to set me free to go. That's the truth. I need you to let me be alone, not for you.
Ketchup and mustard.
Look at those mountains. Look at those mountains. I quite like holding this, eh?
It's nice, isn't it? Stopped on the side of the road. Damn, I look tan as fuck.
So do I.
Will is a little bit pasty.
I need to put some moisturizer.
Moisturizer. Moisturizer doesn't make you tan. Guys, the Google Maps like ETA doesn't work here. It says like 45 minutes. We drive for 30 minutes, and now it says 31 minutes left. So, okay. Let's fucking go.
A little reckless, a little loose, but not me just be out there, you know, just, you know, the big brought up and me brought down, you know, like they do the most.
Oh my god, we finally made it. Look how dirty my face is. This place is so cute. Let me give you a full tour. There's like a pool And these are like the little bungalows. We have a little seating area. And look, they made us like fried tofu and tempeh. It's so nice. Here it is. Got a bed there. Bed there.
Free water.
Free water. The toilet. And outdoor shower. So cute. I actually love it. Finally made it. I don't know. I need to like take an everything shower. I feel disgusting.
The trucks have made us pretty gross.
That is a good option. Good morning, everyone. Just woke up and had breakfast bright and early. Will woke up for sunrise. Crazy boy. Today we're going on a boat trip. Woo! We're doing a day trip to go snorkeling on Menjangan Island. I actually forgot my GoPro. That's kind of a lie. I don't have an underwater case for my GoPro, so I didn't bring it. And I knew that Will would have one because he's like travel videographer. And then he just doesn't have one.
The phone's waterproof though.
Would you bring your phone underwater?
Nah.
Yeah, exactly. I apologize for that. But honestly, who even really cares about like snorkeling montages? Like personally, I don't care too much about snorkeling montages. Do you? If I watch one, I'm never like, wow. No. You know? But yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Hello. Good morning. Let's see. Thank you.
It's not out of line to swim with you in the deep blue. The fear of your lies would make my words less true, make them see through.
Snorkeling time.
But I will be wrapped in green with a cool leaf, and I'll grab your big feet as they stay out of the white sheets.
Beautiful.
That I found out all the colors of you. Slow to the side of your bed with a light tread. I scare you so, Mrs. Angry Head, making your face red. And I play your track with the disc and crack. Brush your hair. Lilac black. It's true that I found out all the colors of you.
Okay, what that mouth do? Hey everyone! Update. I couldn't really like vlog on the boat trip because it was so windy. Like it was crazy windy. The conditions were also like a bit wild. I was like getting splashed and sprayed and stuff with all this water, but my thoughts, it was so good. Like the snorkeling was actually so much better than I was expecting. It was better than the snorkeling I did in like El Nido in the Philippines. The coral was just insane. Sadly, we didn't see anything like crazy. We didn't see any like sharks or turtles or anything, but it was really beautiful. And I've done a lot of snorkeling in my time. And now I kind of regret not having like a GoPro, but you'll just have to come see it for yourself. But yeah, I will put the WhatsApp of the guide that we used in the description box. I really recommend, so you guys can come and book the same tour as me if you come to North Bali. It also like wasn't that crowded. We were only 4 people on the boat, which was amazing. Like it was literally a private tour, and the food was also really yummy. So 10 out of 10 recommend for me. I'm gonna put in a little flower here. And yeah, now we are going for dinner. It's 5 p.m. You ready? Will says hi. What did you think of the boat tour?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Sad about the wind, but
Yeah, the wind was like really annoying.
it was still great. Probably should have worn more sunblock.
I need to show them your neck. Oh, yeah, that's bad.
Tan in like 2 days.
Sure, that's what they all say. This is such a cool area. Will and I kept saying like, none of this looks like Bali. I feel like I'm in Indonesia but not Bali. I know that sounds really, really stupid to say.
Lombok vibe.
Will says Lombok vibes. I haven't actually been Lombok, so I'm not sure. It's a really cool area. Look at that. But yeah, dinner time. And that's that. Love you. Love you, love you, love you. Good morning, everyone. So Will and I have just woken up and we're about to go for breakfast. We've packed up our things here because we're leaving this place today. Yeah, I don't actually really know what the plan is today. I think we're going to a waterfall. Is that the plan? What is the plan?
You tell me.
Good morning. Could I please have the fried rice with egg? Yeah, so we're going to a waterfall, which looks very beautiful. And then we don't know where we're going after. Where are you thinking we go, Will? It'll be either like Ubud or Canggu. Probably. And yeah, that's the plan today. Last day of the road trip.
So excited.
Woo!
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Thank you. So we just got to Sekumpul waterfall. We've paid 150 to do the medium trek, so it takes an hour there and back, which is pretty good, I think. And I've actually left my bag in here, so as Will. So we're hoping that it stays safe here. Yeah, this area is so beautiful. This place is so beautiful. This is our guide. His name is Medewi, telling us about the plants. Yeah. Oh my god, you can see the waterfall from here. Oh my god.
What?
What?
I don't know, it was this close.
What the fuck? Oh my god. What the?
He's not home. He's not home. He's not home. He's not home. Not upstairs. He's not down there. Couldn't find him. 'Cause he's not.
Guys, I was standing in the water. Oh my god, it just went away. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That snake just came up to me in the water. I was standing there videoing it, and then it just like comes up and like nibbles my toe. What the fuck? No, I don't think so. I don't feel anything. What the fuck? Oh my god. How crazy is this? Can I see? Yeah. Wow, there's passion fruit there, guys. That's cool. We just finished hiking back up. I think we were so efficient with the hike.
Lifesaver.
Yeah, they had one of these at the top. Had to get one. But that was probably top 2 waterfalls I've ever seen in my life. Maybe top 1. The only thing that made it less nice was that there was like a lot of people, but it's to be expected in Bali. I went to a waterfall in Komodo, which took like 5 hours to get to. I'll link the video up here. That was like also like probably the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen, but this is so much easier to get to, and it's so beautiful. And now I think me and Will are actually just gonna like drive back to Canggu. Maybe we'll stop for food on the way.
Yeah.
I actually don't know.
Try to survive the drive back.
We might. He said it's 2.5 hours.
Oh yeah.
So maybe we'll stop after an hour and get some food.
Yeah.
That's the plan. What are your thoughts on the waterfall?
Insane.
Insane.
Incredible.
Best waterfall you've ever seen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the greenery up the hill.
Yeah, like even just walking around in like all the rivers and stuff, so nice. Definitely a recommendation. I don't know how I've never been here before. This one's me.
Yeah.
You want to say hi to the YouTube?
Hello guys.
Yeah.
Please subscribe this channel to support my friend Jasmine.
Yes. Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Mega.
Mega.
I'm a local guide in Sekumpul waterfall.
Such a good guide. Thank you. She kept our bags safe this whole time. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Couldn't find it, 'cause it's not hey. Couldn't find it.